Welcome to Arkansas's rooftop, Mount Magazine State Park. Sitting atop the state's tallest peak, this incredible destination blends rugged outdoor adventure and with sweeping views you won't find anywhere else in the region. Today, we're taking a closer look at what makes Mount Magazine one of the most spectacular and surprising state parks in the entire Midwest. Mount Magazine rises to 2,753 feet above sea level, making it the highest point in Arkansas. But unlike many mountain peaks, the summit isn't a single cone. It's a broad, flat plateau stretching several miles across. That means you can enjoy jaw-dropping vistas like the ones we're seeing in this video without needing to be an extreme hiker or climber. It's a place where Arkansas truly reaches for the sky and invites you to come along for the view. Well, thanks for joining me. If you're exploring Arkansas's natural wonders, be sure to visit Magazine Mountain State Park. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more amazing destinations. See you on the trail.